Welcome to today's video. If you love the charm of rustic, cozy spaces, this is for you. We'll be exploring simple and timeless ways to bring a winter cottage vibe into your kitchen. These ideas are perfect for creating a warm and inviting space for your family and guests during the chilly season. Let's dive in. Wooden cutting board display. Stack a collection of rustic wooden cutting boards against your kitchen backsplash to add warmth and texture. Seasonal wreath on cabinet doors. Hang a small wreath made of pine branches or eucalyptus on your kitchen cabinet doors for a festive touch. Mason jar utensil holders. Use vintage mason jars to hold your kitchen utensils. Add twine or burlap for a rustic winter look. Cozy kitchen rug. Place a woven or jute rug in soft neutral tones under your kitchen sink or near the stove for a warm, rustic feel. Open shelving with winter decor. Decorate open shelves with a mix of vintage kitchenware, small pine cones, and ceramic dishes in winter tones. Burlap or linen curtains. Swap out your kitchen curtains for simple burlap or natural linen fabric to embrace the cottage aesthetic. Mini herb garden and terracotta pots. Place a few terracotta pots with herbs like rosemary or thyme on your windowsill. It's practical and adds a cozy charm. Vintage wooden crates for storage. Use old wooden crates to store cookbooks or kitchen towels, giving your space a rustic farmhouse look. Candle lantern centerpiece. Arrange a few lantern-style candle holders on your kitchen island or table for a soft and inviting glow. Chalkboard sign. Create a winter-inspired message or menu on a small chalkboard and display it in your kitchen for a touch of nostalgia. Rustic tea station. Set up a tea station with vintage teapots, ceramic mugs, and wooden trays, making it both functional and decorative. Hanging copper pots and pans. Display copper pots and pans on a hanging rack or hooks. Their warm tones bring a classic rustic feel. Seasonal dish towels. Incorporate dish towels with winter prints like snowflakes, plaids, or subtle greenery. Dried orange garland. String dried orange slices with twine and hang them across your kitchen window or along open shelving for a natural festive accent. Rustic bread box. Add a vintage bread box made of wood or enamel to your countertop for practical and stylish storage. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these ideas inspire you to transform your kitchen into a rustic winter retreat. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying quiet moments at home, these charming touches will make your kitchen the heart of your winter cottage. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more seasonal decor inspiration. See you next time.